Hey there, aspiring project management professionals. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of PMP certification. This certification, offered by the prestigious Project Management Institute, is a game changer for your career. If you are ready to take your project management skills to the next level, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Alright, let's begin with the basics. PMP stands for Project Management Professional. It's a globally recognized certification offered by the Project Management Institute, and trust me, it's one of the most valuable certifications out there. Companies worldwide seek PMP certified professionals for their projects. So this is your ticket to success. 5 steps to PMP success. Now let's break down the 5 steps you need to become a PMP certified professional. Step 1 is to complete a 35-hour project management course. The first step on your PMP journey is to complete a 35-hour project management course. This is a mandatory requirement to apply for the PMP exam. Don't worry, we have got you covered with our comprehensive 40+ hour course where we will guide you through all the essentials. Once you have completed the course, it's time to move on to step 2. Step 2 is to apply for the PMP exam. Head over to PMI's official website at pmi.org and fill out the PMP exam application form. Pay close attention to the details, as even a small mistake can lead you to rejection. In our upcoming lectures, we will walk you through a step-by-step process to ensure your application sails through. Once you have submitted your application, PMI will review it. Normally, within 3 to 5 business days, you will receive approval. But remember, there's a chance you might get audited. Don't worry though, most applicants are notified immediately if selected for an audit. Here's a pro tip. Make sure you have the necessary documents ready just in case. Step 3 is the exam eligibility and audit. After you have submitted your application, PMI will review it. Normally, as we said before, within 3 to 5 business days, you will receive approval. If selected for an audit, PMI will ask you to prove all information you provided in the application form. I would like to let you know that as per PMI, after submitting your application form, you may get audited anytime, even after you become PMP. Does that scare you? But don't worry. Based on my experience, if you don't get a notification email saying that you are selected for an audit in a few minutes after submitting your application, then most probably you won't get audited in the future. Now, step 4 is to schedule and take the PMP exam. Congratulations on getting your approval. Now you have 1 year to take the PMP exam, the exam eligibility period. So 1 year is the exam eligibility period. The PMP exam is considered challenging, but fear not. Gururo's PMP certification preparation course covers everything you need to know to breeze through the exam on your first attempt. Remember, you can take the exam up to 3 times during the exam eligibility period, but of course, you will need to pay for each attempt. Step 5 is to earn your PMP certification. So after putting in the effort and passing the exam, you will finally hold that precious PMP certification in your hands. It's a symbol of your project management expertise and dedication. Remember, we will be there to guide you every step of the way. The PMP exam is considered to be one of the hardest project management exams, and you need to study seriously to pass this exam. But don't worry, in Gururo's 40+ hour course, we will explain everything you need to know in a very detailed manner to make this step easier for you. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the eligibility requirements for the PMP exam. If you have a high school diploma, you will need a minimum of 5 years or 60 months of unique non-overlapping professional project management experience. Keep in mind, non-overlapping means working on multiple projects simultaneously Don't double your experience. So for example, if you have worked on 3 projects simultaneously for 2 months, this is going to be counted as 2 months, not 6 months. For those with a bachelor's degree or equivalent, the requirement is 3 years or 36 months of unique, non-overlapping project management experience. And that's a wrap. Now you know the 5 steps to PMP success and the eligibility requirements for the exam. Are you excited to kickstart your PMP journey? Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable PMP insights. Together we will achieve greatness in the world of project management. Until next time, stay inspired and keep learning. See you soon. Thank you for watching.